Yo, what is up, boys? My name is Aiden. Welcome back to yet another video here on Roblox. In this video, we're going over how you can go ahead and create a private server for Roblox Squid Game, aka Shrimp Game. This is fairly simple, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, because it really does help out the channel. That being said, let's dive straight into this. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Roblox launcher on whatever platform you would like, and essentially search for Shrimp Game just up at the very top. And then once you find the game, go ahead and click on it and go to the game page just like so. Scroll down on the game page till you find the servers tab. Sometimes this can be up at the top, sometimes it's a little bit further down. Just essentially find the game and click on it, and then go ahead and find this option to create a private server. Now, creating a private server here on Roblox Squid Game is actually free, which is pretty nice. Sometimes it does cost Robux in order to do so, but essentially just create the private server and name it whatever you like. I'm just going to call it Just Boz Server just like so, and then hit buy now, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Simply go ahead and hit customize just like so to change a bunch of different options. You can make it so joining is enabled. This will need to be able to be turned on in order for you to even join in the first place. So make sure this is ticked on. You could also tick on friends allowed so your friends can join, and you can also change it so specific friends can join as well by hitting add people and then typing in their username and then clicking add. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials just like this, because it really does help out the channel. Have a great day.